Excuse me?
Yes.
You need Jesus. Yeah, you too. You need Jesus.
Accept money.
You need Jesus. Accept Jesus as your Lord and Savior. What's up, fam? I'm gonna go look for something to eat. So here's the deal. I'm gonna kind of want to go Denny's, but I kind of don't. So I think I'm gonna just drive around for a little bit. Whatever I see first is what I'm gonna get. Let's go see what's up. It's 11:31 at night, and I forgot to eat, so I gotta go find something to eat. I'm not entirely sure where we're gonna go. Well, me, but when I say we, I'm talking to y'all, to the vlog, because obviously I'm lonely. So yeah. Let's go see what's up. Okay guys, look where I'm at. Denny's. I'm at Denny's. I am by myself and I'm gonna go in. I feel like such a loser. But honestly, I feel like it's a part of growing up. I don't know. Sometimes it's nice to get a meal in by yourself and just like reflect on life. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just trying to like find a way to not sound like a loser. But anyways, I'm gonna go eat. I'm in Denny's and they gave me this booth. I got a booth for myself, which makes it even worse. I'm the only one in here. It's lit. It's pretty quick though, that's a good thing. There's like no wait time. I feel like everyone should eat alone at midnight in like an empty restaurant. That was pretty dope. But I don't think I'm done. I want to explore. I'm gonna go see what's up. Nightlife in Bakersfield on a Sunday night, Monday morning. Let's go see what's up. I think I want ice cream. Past midnight, but I just wanted, it's not too hot right now, it feels really nice, and I just want to show you guys something pretty cool. I can't see anything, hopefully my eyes can adjust, but check this out. What's up guys? You guys probably can't see me. It's definitely a place you want to come out and check out if you're in Bakersfield at night. I mean, anyone can come during the day. A lot of people do come at night, but it's the Bluffs, man. There's not much in Bakersfield. Really not much of anything, but we got the Bluffs. Let's go.
'Cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. 'Cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
Don't like you and she likes everyone, and I never like to admit that I was wrong. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body.
It was dope. I say that too much. It was pretty cool, honestly. It was relaxing. There's not many things in Bakersfield that could top being at the Bluffs this late at night. What's up, y'all? There's been a change of plans. I am actually, it's like Wednesday, and I'm heading to Las Vegas right now. I just left my house. I'm gonna go drop off my house keys to my mom so they can check on it while I'm gone. I'm gonna be gone today until Saturday, so it should be lit.
I don't want to be.
I'm gonna give her my key. You better not break shit. I know it's broken. Here.
I like that. That's.
We are in Vegas. I'm gonna go look for something to eat. The Ferris wheel place thing? What bolas?
Yeah. Ahí vamos a ir a caminar y a comer para que conozcas.
We're gonna go walk on the strip. I'm with my aunt. I'm gonna meet up with my brother either tomorrow or on Friday, and he's the one that's gonna go with me too. the Ed Sheeran concert. By the way, that's why I'm here, but we came like 2 days early, so it's gonna be lit. I can do it from right here. Just It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. So many people.
Grab your table and you guys no hurry.
Sorry. Yeah. That lady was saying, oh, she was like, oh, I'm not rushing you guys, but it's like she was like this close. So I'm just like, are you sure? It's nice out. Excuse me? Yes. You need Jesus. Yeah, you too. You need Jesus.
Accept money.
You need Jesus. Accept Jesus as your Lord and Savior. Those are dope.
Hey, turn around.
That's dope. That's dope.